Yo, lion foot, TV, lion foot, yo, hash, lion, yo, tune in, subscribe, one TV, lion foot TV, Asha, lion, Satay.
Bless hello and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queen, lion and lioness. Speak up myself, I hope all this blessing and social. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth and health is your wealth. Give thanks to life, you know what I mean? You know, we can't start the vlog without saying that. I hope love and blessings. You get to me some viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Yes, guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. See? Some viewers and subscribers, let me there, I'm going to play a charity match. You know, charity, if you have already cars, you see, I'm going to play referee versus a team called the People's FC. Yes, sir. They are going to wait and think, man, you know what I mean? Go up on the journey and just I did a vlog here to say condolence, you know, to a youth who lost his life at the stoplight up in a New Kingston there yesterday. Dogo. Zane. Young them pull up on him and I hit that, you see me? Yeah, sad. And also, a man a charge for the arson attack that left a mother and a daughter gone and 5 people, you know what I mean, suffering, you know, burns and staying alive. But a gruesome act, man, where Jamaica really gone to every day is a different, gruesome, graphic, you know what I mean, situation. Every single day you can expect for something. And we not promote. We have to talk about this thing because, you see me? It's not like say we have to promote and dwell on the bad things and I say, we have to talk because it's really bad. We have to talk. We have to talk and we beg the youth them to stop the crime star. You see it? But before we get into it, I don't know more and send a happy birthday to Mama Fear. See, big up myself, Mama Fear. Auntie Faye, you know, the Painland, I don't know. Long live the Queen, and I hope we live to see many more. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Big up all of the goodness ones, you know. Yeah. So, first and foremost, my viewers and subscribers, look what reason with Dogo. The youth lost his life at the stoplight. I just say him go wipe car. I just say him make him living and him hustling. See? No, when I heard the news, I never know say him. Like, after that now we are here say, yo, Roo, you know? It is a youth I know when I watch go. Regular I'm sitting right on my studio ends out, you know? I know thing, but I don't know if I'm a boss it or nothing, you know, things stand time change. And you know, lion foot, my policy. Nah, swear for now, man. With a family a stranger. When your name a call up, I nah swear for no, man. You have to prove yourself right or wrong. See? So, I do the vlog have to send condolence to his mom, Juliet, big up herself. Stay strong, I know it's not nice to lose someone. So Juliet, big up herself, you know. Last year she lost someone, Chaddy, who's the brother of Dogo, you know what I mean? And Chaddy lost his life last year where he went to pick up some money at the Western Union and he was trailed and taken out. See? So I don't know if that's that come off. I don't know if you mix up in anything out the road or what. I don't know. Because I do the vlog of say condolence. Zane and say John no star. Sad because as a mother it's not nice to lose a loved one. One last year, no, another one this year and then. You see me? Not nice. So when I hear the news I ask is if he is involved and people must say not what them know after they know if I do nothing. You see me? I bust it out. I don't know. If I do nothing on the road, I don't know. I don't know. But I say him get shut up last year, him get shut up there last year, no? And him survived. And he gone back there? No, sir. Yeah, me can get shut up at one spot and me gone back at that spot there. Man, them not gonna come back, wobble back, man. So, and it's like him drop him guard. It's like them in a pre-life. You know, say for what carry him wife get him hustling on the food, on the street, and maybe provide for him mother and thing, but you know. shocking and sad, but I'm speechless, man. I don't know how you can even get shot up there, so you go back at the same spot there. Out of your boundary, out of bounds, uptown, like that. Yang, no ramp for pull up in there. That's why I'm saying I'm singing there. Hitman, word out, yang, pull up, loan, bang. Everybody get wet. Children, yes, your friend pay. Fikir, Zin.
Hitman, ride out, yang, pull up, loan, bang. Everybody get wet, all children. Yes, your friend pay. Fikir, friend.
Sad man. So, man, them pull up on the bike and I hit that, you know. I just want to say condolence again to the families, you see me? Gillette, stay strong. See? Next, my viewers and subscribers, the man finally got charged for arson attack. Kill, I think I'm woman and the daughter, you see me? Or maybe my stepdaughter, I don't know. 4-year-old girl, young girl. Jano, what could have caused a man to do that? Carry out such a wicked act? Set the place ablaze. See? Set the place ablaze. You get me? So now them charge him for murder and attempted murder because 5 other people suffer burn wounds and are struggling for their life. See? So I'm going to run through and look a piece of the article and make you hear what I go on. That's what I say. Yeah man, but it's shocking and sad, man. Daniel Spike, 54, has been charged over the arson attack in St. Mary that resulted in the death of a mother and her daughter. Spike, who is from Fraserwood, content in the parish, was charged on Monday with 2 counts of murder, 5 counts of attempted murder and arson. Viewers and subscribers, and here Wagwan and say Wagwan. Justice Jaja no. Wicked piece of act, wicked brother. We don't know. You know what I mean? Don't know. Very sad and shocking. I just want to send condolence to the families them start. Condolence to the families them, you see me? What could have caused a man to carry such a gruesome act like that? Jealousy? No sir, wicked.
Yeah man, wicked, selfish, cruel, vicious, heartless. Your brother, yeah, him not for see back road, man. In him 50s, him not him get 50 a day, so 100 that. If him live to see it out. Yeah man. The severe the crime, the severe penalty him for pay. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you all think in the comment section. Rest in peace, mommy and your daughter. Jano Star. Only God knows, why the people in Jamaica are so wicked, heartless. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself and stay safe. I don't know, especially my fellow Jamaicans them out there, The whole diaspora, one love. Coming from Lionfoot, Yeah man, we say, God is good, God is great. Believe in him and have faith. Yes, I don't know. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Jaja.
I've been on it for many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay silent. Why would I lie? It makes no sense.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.